Well, we're still out here on the West Virginia Waterfall Trail. Mo and I are on our way to the river today. We found Westerly Falls. It's pretty much right off of 64. You come up this windy little country road. It's a beautiful creek all the way down. There were even some other little waterfalls, but this one's pretty cool. We'll walk down and check it out. I think people kayak this creek. I'm not sure. Paint Creek. I'm not sure if this is the section. I haven't really researched that or anything, but I think it's kayakable at certain levels. But it's beautiful out here. The path to get down here is a little bit steep. Roots, lots of leaves, probably slick if it was rainy or wet. It's slick right now. What am I talking about? Westerly Falls.
Another one off the West Virginia Waterfall Trail, Westerly Falls. It's right off 64 up Paint Creek near Beckley. Beautiful little drive, beautiful creek, beautiful waterfall. Looks like a great place to fly fish, go for a picnic, or just stop by while you're driving to the river. Thanks for checking it out.